guys. I was waiting on some parts, yes, some parts to fix a couple of radios I have here. I have oh, that's gonna be so sweet. I have a Cobra 139 XLR. Yep, you heard it. A Cobra 139 XLR that needs repair. I have a Cobra 138 XLR that also needs repair. And I also have my Yaesu 6-meter rig over there. That also needs repair. Bittersweet, isn't it? So, anyways, I bought these parts back in December. Shocking. I bought these illegal parts back in December to fix some stuff. But anyways, yeah. Basically, I bought a set of these guys off eBay. Regardless if these are any good, now that's another story we're soon going to find out. But it's a match set of two SC 1306s and a match set 1307. And right now I have enough to fix 2 of 3 radios right now. So I'm trying to decide, do I want to fix the 2 Cobra radios or do I want to fix 1 Cobra and the Yaesu? So yeah, that's basically where we are right now. So what do you guys want to see replaced? Do you guys want to see the Cobras repaired first, or do you want to see 1 Cobra and Yaesu repaired? You tell me. Put in the comments below. You tell me what you want to see repaired first. The 2 Cobras or 1 Cobra and the Yaesu. So you tell me which of the Cobras and the Yaesu you want me to do the repairs on. Do you want me to do the Cobra? Do you want me to do the Cobra 138 and the Cobra 139 first? Or do you want me to do the Cobra 139 and the Yaesu? Or do you want me to do the 138 and the Yaesu? Anyways, you tell me what you want me to repair. Tell me below. Let's get this show on the road, guys.